Control of antennas' performance installed on the systems represents a major industrial lift. Complex operational requirements of modern transport systems leads to an increase in the density of functions in terms of transmissions, receptions like communication, positioning, radar, jamming. Moreover, electromagnetic compatibility, EMC, has become a very sensitive topic for equipment manufacturers in many industries. It is crucial to make sure electromagnetic interferences will not occur when integrating components and devices in the systems, and also to comply with EMC regulations and standards. Understanding and optimization of how an antenna's performance is influenced by the structure it includes is a major challenge. There is an evolution of antenna systems in order to adapt them to the needs of future platforms. Antennas have to be in compliance with the material and have better performance in association with several functions, for example, stealthiness, aerodynamics, or design. The large nature of the structures to be considered make them even more challenging to simulate. AXS-AP stands for Antenna Placement. Is AXS-SIM's integrated solution able to anticipate and predict the performance of an antenna, evaluate decoupling between antennas installed on all complex platform like aircraft, ship, or land vehicle? Our solution is based on an approach allowing a unified and broadband modeling of antenna radiation. It generates synthetic antenna models from many data sources, characterizing the antenna to provide a relevant solution for each phase of industrial design and development cycle, such as pre-design, design, and qualification. Our tools rely on a distributed and collaborative simulation environment. The Q2FD simulation platform for the analysis of electromagnetic field of 3D structures. Q2 relies on a reusable antenna library, easily shareable with other users. Antenna models are reusable and independent from the mesh of the carrier, enjoying an efficient capitalization and research capacity offered by the platform. AXS-AP is interfaced with main antenna simulation software of the market, allowing direct and easy import of the results. Thanks for your attention. If you have some questions on our solutions or software, please contact us.